Hello everyone, this is Z66 or Zakai, your underpaid, undertrained, underinsured mechanic, and I hope you enjoy the upcoming video. And feel free to take a moment to look around the channel while you're here. I hope you enjoy my videos. I do a little bit of everything. Automotive repair, tools, which is, like my premature evaluation series, my full review series of ride the pony reviews, along with tool recovery, where I go to repair broken or damaged tools, anatomy of failure, what I discuss failures in a system and go over them, and of course, my new series of World of Finance, where I talk about, fun things like financing guns and general financial information. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to comment, like, subscribe at the bottom. And remember, I can't pay for these Ray-Bans without your help. Goodbye. Hello everyone, it's Z66, underpaid, undertrained, underinsured mechanic. I'm going to show you how to replace the back window wiper blade on Infiniti FX35. Now we're going to be using this thing. This is what I've been ordering off Amazon for the last 4 or 5 years, and I get about a year and a half, 2 years out of them. But it's just a rear wiper blade, it's nothing major. I think it's like 14 bucks. Alright. Now to start off with, you're going to need to take this plastic cover off, and it's going to feel like you're going to break it, so you just want to be careful. It just pops right off. You've got a 10mm bolt here, hold it here, and you just got to loosen it. And, not drop the bolt. And this is kind of splined on. Lift it up. Why Infiniti decided this was the way to go, I don't know. I don't want to yank on this too much. So with our good friend penetrating oil, sometimes you do have to pry on this. Yeah, I need to clean the threads off. Alright, so this is just like a standard wiper blade. Just slide it over, throw it on the ground like an adult. Alright, so I cleaned that off camera. So you slide your blade in like this. You're going to need to push it in. Make sure it's in. Then you want to set it where it was. It's splined. You don't want to damage your splines because God help you trying to find these parts. Now you just got to tighten, start your bolt back. Doesn't have to be super tight, And then you just put your plastic cover back on there. It just pops right in and boom, there you go. I hope this video is helpful. It's been Z66. You have a good one. Alright, bye-bye. Well, everyone, this is Z66, your undertrained, undershirt, and underpaid mechanic, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe, comment below, because tell your mama, tell your grandmother, tell your doctor, because I can't do this alone, and I can't pay for these Ray-Bans without your help. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. You have a good day now. Goodbye.